Hello, today I'm in Hyundai Kona. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, press the mode button once, and now cruise control is enabled. Accelerate to desired speed, and now press set button. Now you'll be able to increase the speed by pressing this button on plus and decrease it by pressing it in minus. To pause cruise control, press this button. To disable it, press this button twice. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.